Hi guys, this is Zach and welcome back to another episode of Lumix tutorial. In this episode, we are going to talk about USB external recording. So, to demonstrate today, we have GH6 right here rigged up. So this is a full, we call it the cinema rig, and we'll have another video to talk about how we rig this up and what is all these components. But today, mainly we are focusing on is the camera and the capability of its external recording. So the GH6 can record with two slots, one the CF card slot, one with the SD card slot. You know, SD card go with the normal 4K, Full HD is fine. But if you want to record ProRes, and you need to record into the CF card, which is the faster card. And the faster card also means more expensive in terms of pricing. So if you record ProRes, ProRes comes with a very big file. So the CF card, you also need a very big CF card, like let's say you want to go more than 1 terabyte, and that will become very, very pricey. Is there any way we can record ProRes, or any way we can record video, not to the CF card, not to the SD card, but to somewhere else, to an SSD. Normally, if you want to record externally, you want to purchase something like this, like a recorder. So this is an Atomos Ninja V. So the recorder has its own SSD where you can record via HDMI. But let's say you do not have the recorder. You only have a camera today and you want to record off SSD. It wasn't really possible back then, but now with the firmware update 2.2, you can. If you have a GH6, make sure you update your firmware to the latest 2.2, and then you will unlock the capability of shooting externally directly into an external SSD. Obviously, recording into external disk like a SSD is not via the HDMI traditionally we will use for a recorder, but instead we are using the USB-C, the USB-C port of GH6. So besides you can charge the camera with the USB-C, you also can transfer data with it, and it can record whatever ProRes file, high-res file directly into the SSD, and the price of the SSD way affordable compared to the CF card. So now I've connected the SSD to the camera via a cable, all right? And we can go into the menu, and we are going to look for this USB SSD and turn that on. So only limited models of SSD are available, compatible with GH6 for this external recording function. It's not all for now. So for now, this is a simple walkthrough of how you can record directly, externally into an SSD instead of the CF card and SD card, which you usually record. So I'm Zach, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.